Yeah, okay.
Good morning, everyone. So I believe you all received yesterday's video and
Good
documents.
morning. Yeah.
We shared in two ways. First one, Google Drive,
Yes.
and second one, YouTube link. So this is a way every day you will receive the links. Not link actually, every day video placed, but not in the YouTube, only Google Drive. I'll show you for our batch what I have created. So this is your batch folder, main folder, and here you will receive all the videos day by day. And this is a checklist which I am going to cover. I clearly mentioned the checklist here. And in this area, the videos available. This was the first demo video, respective video, PDF files. Similarly, today's video you receive in this area, our being second demo. And documents also you find in the same area. Because YouTube level and other platforms, we cannot share the documents in all. First and second demo understanding. And we are going to do one example, the example practice file. Now come to ensure this drive access you all having. And who all provided email IDs, we shared the drive access. As well as we kept the video in the YouTube, you can go to YouTube also. For the respective videos. I request who all just joined, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number, the chat room. So the first demo, second demo, and complete drive access you will receive. So gather the information, look at the information, see the quality, then only take a decision. So there are two demo classes I told you last class. Yesterday was the first demo. Today, second demo. Yesterday first demo, today second demo. And yesterday's demo, I explained first 20 minutes introduction. And then I explained types of data, types of IT applications, types of BA applications, MSBA versus Power BI versus Azure BA, and what is Fabric, Power BI components, Power BI concepts, etc. These all explained last class. So I cannot repeat this now. kindly go through yesterday's video. Maybe it is first demo for you guys, but I cannot take the same session again and again. You're all professionals. You respect the time as well. So go through last video, basic fundamentals only, but important fundamentals. Today I will go to Power BI. With respect to Power BI, if you have any doubts, just ask me. And no dependency of yesterday's sessions in today. No dependency. Yesterday I described what is Power BI and all. But today I will give you Power BI components, examples, etc. Keep your mind fresh so that you will understand perfectly. Don't compare and don't bring other topics and other videos, other knowledge in the picture. If you bring it, you will confuse. Right. And today I will explain first 10 minutes, the recap of yesterday's part. Next 40 minutes of practice. Next 40 minutes of practice. Now, IT resources, I will use IT terminology, IT process, so you may understand little easy. Non-IT people don't feel panic. First 2 days only you feel complex, but later it will be very easy for you. 1 or 2 times if you practice or follow, it's easy for you. Next. As part of introduction, first 10 minutes, so 20 minutes. Last class I covered training details, my name, mobile number, my contact, my contact timings, call timings, and training type basics to advanced. I'm a current working professional and duration 50 to 60 hours. Daily 1 hour is a class duration. Monday to Friday compulsory classes. Saturday based on your interest. Training online, offline both available. Daily live class videos are shared and access given till 1.5 years. Communication, WhatsApp and emails, preferably WhatsApp, because quick and easier for us. Materials, theory, you will find it. Practical, FAQs, mock interviews. FAQs provided, mock interviews are conducted. And tabular Q classes for 1 hour. SQL sessions for 4 hours. Projects, 2 near real-time projects and multiple case studies. If you're really looking for practical training, the case studies and the projects are highly helpful for you. It is true. And these are the current running batches for me. Multiple batches, but from tomorrow, the current batch runs at 8 a.m. Yesterday and today only demos. From tomorrow, we have regular classes at 8 o'clock. And training objective, in case you want to work in the real time, yes, real time points and real time concepts, more and more you will find here. An interview suitable subject, and you're preparing for certification dump, and certification guidance, help. And if you want to generate your own reports, this is worst situation. You want to generate your own report, then also possible. And only graduates are postgraduates eligible for this course. And intermediate and undergraduates not suitable. What type of component? It is a low code component, full support to graphical. And what are the areas you can participate after learning Power BI? The area as a report developer, business intelligence developer, data analyst area, business analyst area, data scientist. So these are the areas you can participate. Multiple areas. One tool, multiple areas. This I explained yesterday. Later, what I'm going to cover in the next 2 months. Project and environment knowledge. I'll give very in detail. 2 near real-time projects, data warehousing concepts, data modeling concepts, and modeling practical. This is most important. And you will not find online portals in many places, data modeling practicals. Regarding Power BI visuals, visualization, sample dashboards and all, you will find it. But nowadays, 100% people following online portal videos, 90% people failing in the organizations to work on. The reason, the real-time stuff, the process, you will not find it. You just find how to build it, how to make it. But to make it, what are the necessary things we need to gather? What are the prerequisites that you will not find in the online? Simple, cute videos only available. Those will attract us, but will not give you any subject. So bits and pieces you want to learn, yes, the online portals are helpful, but not a proper systematic subject. So learn always from a good trainer. Now 3 to 4 hours SQL sessions I will cover. That is not sufficient. Within 3-4 hours, I cannot explain great content. But in the 3-4 hours, how to prepare your database, how to use the database objects in Power BI. Power BI level, how do we bring the data? How do we operate it? Those things are explained, but important in the 3 to 4 hours. My recommendation, learn a whole course and prioritize 9 topics in the course. Whole course for overall understanding, prioritizing 9 topics to work happily in the company, to face interviews. Because any interviewer want to ask a question, out of these 9 topics only will ask it. Or within the 9 topics only will ask. We don't use complete SQL and Power BI. Very few topics we use it. And majorly data validation, data reconciliation, data testing time. Some additional concepts required. Only for reporting purpose, 2-3 topics sufficient. SQL level. Resume preparation, FAQs, mock interviews, all we conduct. Power BI subject, cloud components, on-premises components, both I will cover. And Power Apps, Power Automate understanding also I will provide you for 4 hours, so that you will understand Power BI and related environment, which you are going to work in the projects. And the content is purely designed to make you suitable for the current market environment. And more opportunities in the Power BI development side. 90% opportunities in this combination. Remember everyone, this is Power BI and this is SQL. It's a database language. 90% opportunities. You will find 1 or 2 opportunities as a support resource in the project, admin resource in the project. You can try in the combinations also. So more than 5 I want to place. Yes. These are the positions available. I'm not telling my course is suitable for it. By learning, you cannot climb 5+ of any component. 1 or 2 projects, end-to-end experience is required. And good hands-on is required. Then only you can try on this. Without working end-to-end, you cannot try as a proper modeler, designer, specialist, architect. These are the highly remunerated positions. You want to stay tuned with Power BI next 5 years, 15 years, 20 years, highly possible. If you become a BA architect, BA specialist, sufficient. Compared to other BA tools, if you go with Tableau, ClickView and all, it's really tough to become a BA architect, BA specialist. I'm not telling Power BI, BA architect, BA specialist. Because Power BI having multiple operations. If you go to Tableau, only reporting. If you go to Informatica, only ETL processing. Different tools, different types of operations. But all together we have in a single area, that is Power BI. So you can become a very good BA architect or specialist by learning Power BI. Power BI strongly. Daily live class videos you receive, no need to ask anyone. You will get video and you will be notified in the WhatsApp level. Resume preparation sessions and good theory practical part. And training is complete practical on the training. you'll be having very good interaction with me during the classes. FAQs anyway discussed. And live classes also we conduct. You guys will do along with me. Those live classes also I will conduct. So this is what I covered in the last class as part of introduction. After that, I explained data to Microsoft Fabric. How many types of data available? How many types of IT applications available? Business intelligence applications available? Power BI. When MSBA from Microsoft available, why Power BI? Difference between MSBA and Power BI and Power Platform. Why Microsoft released Power Platform and how many components it has? What is Fabric? Why Microsoft given Fabric? So this stuff I explained last class very in detail. Kindly go through yesterday's video. And today I will explain Power BI components. Even a strong definition also explained. So you guys going to take daily data and you implement a business intelligence process, generate reports and dashboards. This is your area. Last class I told you. So use Power BI on day-to-day data, implement Power BI for business intelligence process, create a storage, business intelligence storage, generate reports. 1, 2, 3. This is the area you participate with Power BI. So this end-to-end process also explained last class. Your day-to-day data, ETL process, warehousing process, cubes, reporting, and decision making. It's a fixed process. Don't feel confused by seeing all this. Very simple. If you do one small example, that too, today's demo example, you will be good with Power BI, no doubt in that. After finishing the class, spend your time valuably to complete the example. I'll give you the PDF document and video. Then only you take a decision. Power BI, you can do it or not. It's easy for you or not. So before we purchase a bike, we will go for a drive. Car, test drive. Do a test drive of this application today. Then only you take your own decision, whether it's good for you or not. And I told you last class, Power BI, adding power to existing BI. Power BI, a low code application, less code. Power BI, cloud and on-premises, both support. Cloud level you can place, within your company level you can place. What is cloud? Somebody else storage, especially Microsoft. So Power BI reports you can keep in Microsoft level or within your company level. End-to-end process we can do. And finally generate reports and dashboards from the data. Simply, data if you provide, it will generate reports and dashboards. That is Power BI. Sir, there are many tools available in the market to generate reports and dashboard. Why Power BI? First one, low code. Second one, within your company you can place and cloud level you can place. Third one, self-service BI. Previously, I showed a picture and there was arrow flowing on. Steps, all the steps you can do in a single component. That's why self-service. If somebody asks you, tell me the definition of Power BI or explain me Power BI, answer this or this. Adding more power to existing BI or a low code, cloud and on-premises supportive, self-service business intelligence application to generate reports and dashboards from the data. Okay, right, we will continue now this part. How do we generate reports and dashboards? What type of components available? And one sample component for operations. Online people who just joined, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number. You get demo video documents. This is the drive, you will get the access. Kindly verify after finishing the class. For every batch, the videos till the end of the day will give a proper conclusion. So this was a previous batch, ATM batch. We closed it and we provide all the details, whatever they need, resumes, proper message. Till the last day, you will get proper information, including the dumps. Right, sir. I will close it. We have very good success rate in the market, guys. Many people got jobs, not one, two people. Okay, can you? But it's taking time to load to show all this. Right. And what is today's part? Power BI components and working on this component. That is today's part. Power BI, adding more power to existing business intelligence. What is the input to Power BI? Any type, any format, any storage data. Simply data. What is the output from Power BI? So you guys will generate reports or dashboard. Then what is report or and what is dashboard? Single line, only single line. A report, detailed data, detailed information we will show. Dashboard, high level data, that to multiple reports data. These 2 points, you guys are clear? Understood what Power BI does? In between, whatever we do, that is through Power BI. Data conversion to BA data. This is BA data. Whatever you show here is called BA data. This normal data conversion to BA data require tools. Power BI, Tableau, ClickView, these kind of tools. And you are going to use Power BI in this area. Then how many components available? Power BI is very rich. Don't go through 1 year before videos in the online portals. Subject drastically changed. The power increased like anything. So don't go to old videos in case you're watching it. Power BI having 8 components and 4 concepts. What are the 8 components? This is the first component, second component, third component, fourth component, fifth component, sixth, seventh, eighth component of Power BI is gateway. It is not written. Even the screen is old screen. So why these many components? It is offering different types of services. If a product is not offering different types of services, it cannot become a strongest product in the market. With basic features and low features, it cannot attract everyone. Power BI having wonderful market and it is a leader in the market because of these many services. I'm going to cover all these parts, especially 1, 2, 5, 8, 7. And these 3 and 4, 1.5 hour I will cover. But what are these? So you decided, I don't want to maintain any server in my area. Everything I will keep in the Microsoft side and operate. That is called cloud. So this is the component, Power BI desktop. Desktop, Windows desktop. What exactly desktop does? Set of graphical operations. Power BI desktop, Power BI graphical operations. So this is useful to develop the report. The first one, to develop the report. Once the report is developed, definitely there should be an area where we need to place the report and share with the customers. That is either cloud or server. Since you decided to keep in Microsoft level, so cloud. So connect with this URL, the developer report you place in this area and manage in this area. Now customers will contact this and bring it. So the people who are all interested for cloud in the market, 95% people showing interest for cloud only. They use these two components in the real time. If customer want to access the reports, they will access from this area, cloud area. Everyone clear with this? Second, I'm not comfortable with cloud. I have pretty enough storage. I will install my server. The same kind of desktop available here, develop the report and place here. So customers will contact the server to bring the data and operate. Next. And these two desktops will generate reports. And that report generation is non-paginated. Non-paginated. Then what is paginated? Non-paginated and advanced. Then what is paginated? Paginated indicate report is divided, the report data. It's divided into multiple pages, comma, each page is printable. Your resume in 10 pages, each page you are able to print. Similarly, you have 100 records. 100 records available, 10 pages required, each page 10 records. That is called pagination. Remember, and this is old reporting style. Some people say legacy style, old reporting style. Power BI having advanced reporting, not old reporting in this area. So people question my Microsoft. We are not ready for the advanced level. We need basic reporting also. So Microsoft decided to give one more component, that is report builder. So this is to generate paginated reports, these reports. Understood the need? It's not possible to keep advanced and basic in a single area. Advanced visualization in the desktop level, the basic legacy reporting in the report builder. So it is satisfying normal people as well as corporate organizations, both. Gestal reports, Panorama, and SAP BO, Cognos, MicroStrategy. There are many PA tools available. They all provide legacy reporting and normal reporting. For Power BI level, we have advanced reporting in the desktop level, advanced visualization, advanced concepts. Next, Power BI developer. It's not a role, it's not an opportunity, it's not a designation. You don't like Power BI visuals, whatever Microsoft given. You want to create your own visuals. It's a coding area. Code area to create own visual. Mode area to create on visual. Next, embedding. My company fully active in the Facebook and web level. I want to show Power BI report here. That is called embedding. What is embedding? Placing Power BI report, Facebook, web, or any portal, any area, other area, simply other than Power BI area. If you place your report, then it is called embedding. Last one, gateway. So this part I will explain in the regular class. But these are the components available in the Power BI. Cloud level 2 components, 1 and 2. On-premises people, 1 and 2. Old reporting, that is page related reporting. If you want to go report build up. Nowadays, 50% opportunities having page related reporting requirement. 50%. I'll take these classes also. I want to explain now Power BI desktop generating a report. How come it will generate? This Power BI desktop only perform the end-to-end process. So data it will take, it will give you the report. In between, compulsory we require a business intelligence process. The process this desktop will do. How come it will do? By using these concepts. Power query, power pivot, power view, power map. This is concept 1, concept 2, concept 3, concept 4. By using these concepts. Able to understand? Now I will show. So this is your daily data or some data. So desktop will take the data and generate report like this. As part of it, it will implement this process in this desktop level. This data it will take first. The desktop. If data is not in proper shape, it will shape next. In case data relationships not available, it will establish relationships. If you want to add protection, security. Finally, visuals. And whatever you find, that is called BA data, business intelligence data like this. So this is your data. This is your BA data. The Power BI desktop does. Since the desktop is able to perform all these operations, it's a fixed process. You feel bored after third class. Daily we use the same. Daily we use the same terminology, no different. So whatever you're listening today, this continue for the till end of the classes. So if you're new to IT and new to this tool, you may feel panic. What is this extraction transformation? But if you do one small example today, you feel pretty much comfortable. No doubt in that. So this kind of data you get. But what is this data? My family expenses data in the lockdown time. Lockdown time 20 and 19. How much money I spent for every reason in every location, I clearly mentioned. Even you prepare your hostel data, hostel expenses, your family expenses, and prepare a report like this by using desktop. But desktop level, you must implement this process. Extraction, transformation, relationships, security, visualization. What all applicable, apply it. Since it is able to do end-to-end, we call it as a self-service PA. And what is desktop? I told you already. Graphical operations area. What is Power BI desktop? Power BI graphical operations area. And there is one more desktop in the market, Tableau desktop. Tableau graphical operations area. Or is it complex to install? Any great hardware software requirements needed? No. Windows 8 or above operating system sufficient. Minimum 2 GB RAM sufficient. Minimum processor 2 GHz. This is a requirement. Then how do we download? So for downloading and operations, there is a material. This is a material. This material I'll provide you today. In this material, clearly mentioned what is extraction, what is transformation, what is modeling, security, visualization, some basic visuals. What I'm going to use. And basic Power BI desktop installation requirements. What is desktop? What is Power BI desktop? Hardware software requirements. License, free available, account available. Downloading way. 3 ways. Advanced download available. Account-based download available. Cloud download available. These three. Desktop, Power BI desktop, downloading free available and license available. Today you download free, tomorrow license based downloading. Hardware software requirements. These are the minimal. 3 ways of download. Today we will see advanced download without account. Any questions from the screen? This material only you will find it, download it, and practice it. Let me show you now. Yes, sir, ask your question.
Sir, what is the difference like free and license version?
I need to tell you a lot actually. It takes time. Power BI accounts are 5 types. Pro account, license accounts, pro account, premium per user, 1 account, premium capacity, 1 account, 2 account, 3 account. All I need to explain. It will take some time. In tomorrow's session or the other day, I will explain. It's important. I will give you multiple accounts for your practice. You don't worry. మీకు అవసరమైన అకౌంట్స్ నేను ఇస్తాను, మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. Till 1-2 years ఇస్తాను, don't worry. Power BI desktop download. Don't ask anyone how to download and install desktop. Don't watch any videos. Google it. Click on the first link, download link. Microsoft Power BI desktop. Download. But before downloading, spend your time valuably to see the information, which version you're downloading, on which date published, very recent. What is the size of your desktop? In case desktop level, any new features added, Microsoft redefined it. They will mention in this area. What exactly desktop does? Desktop lo మనం ఏం చేయొచ్చు? You can bring the data. You can create relationships. You can create reports. You can save reports. See, Microsoft clearly mentioned, this is all you can do. And in system requirements, clearly given in your standalone, what are the operating systems required? Company servers level, what are the operating systems required and configuration needed? Installation instruction, pretty simple. Next, finish. But one thing is important. Before you download, identify what type of system you are currently using. System type. So go to search. In this area, sysinfo or this PC properties. Anything is fine. Go to this PC properties or sysinfo. In this area, it will show you what type of system you are using. System type. 64 x64 based PC. That means 64-bit machine I'm using. X86 means 32-bit. X64 means 64-bit. Now go to this. Click on download. It will show you, Babu, 32-bit machine you want to download or 64-bit. Mine is 64. I need to select this and download. Now you are able to see 480. But at the beginning of Power BI, the size is 17 MB first time. Later 23, 50, 70. As the features, options increase, the size increased. But comparatively, the size is less if you look at other BA tools. BO, SAP BO, Cognos, more than 1 GB, 2 GB space required. But for Power BI, not required. Lightweight also. Go to, I'll show you Power BI softwares. So this is the way it will download. Once you click download, and then click on it, next, finish. In between, it will ask you which drive you want to install. That's it. If it is completed, two things. One, in the status bar, you will find an icon. Two, on the desktop, you will find an icon. Either this or this area, you find the icon. Or else you can go to startup or search area. You can find the Power BI desktop. So this is a desktop. Let me click on it. So how to download, I explained. Just Google it and download. It will be downloaded. How to install? Go to the software, next, finish. So this is a main interface. Sorry, not main, starting interface. You need to take a decision. New report you want to create or open existing report. Open report or new report. Permission. I want to go for new. Yes, I click new. This is a main screen. Color blind friendly screen. And self-service BI screen. So what it does, as per self-service BI, I told you, data extraction possible, transformation, modeling, securing, visualization. Finally, you will get business intelligence data. Right. This is an area quick save, quickly saving, and this undo, and this redo. And this is the title of the application. And this is account. Someone asked me, sir, what is account? This is about minimizing, maximizing, closing. You want to share? Yeah, share. Artificial intelligence feature you want to use? Copilot. The Copilot is available here. AI Copilot. And this is menu tabs. Right now, home is underlined. So this is called as home ribbon. Everyone okay? One by one option I'm explaining. So I'm maintaining little speed. Kindly cooperate. It's a demo class. We need to say meaningful example. So menu tabs, menu ribbon. In this area, visualization we will do. Want to perform visuals, data display, go to this. You just want to see the tables data, go to this. And this is the area, relationships. And recently given DAX editor, DAX query area. Ignore about that. But you want a visualization, go to this. You just want to see the data in Power BI, go to this. You want to establish relationships, go to this. These are called views area, viewing area. And now these are called panes. First one, filter pane. Filter options. And this is data pane. So filter options means to filter the data. I don't want to show all records. Hyderabad data only I want to show. Department 10 data only I want to show. And Hyderabad and Mumbai data, Hyderabad and Department 10 data I want to show. Then we need to go to that. Next, data pane. In this area, data available. Data indicates structure. Data indicate information. Structure and information. Example, employee ID, employee name. Employee ID 1, employee name is Vinay. So this is called structure. And this is called information. That availability area. Some people also call it as data set area. In modern terminology, semantic model area. Simply data area. Modern is semantic data area. Semantic model area. So if you want data, go to this. If you want filtering, go to this. If you just want to see the table data, go to this. Now, these are the visuals available. These are the visuals available. You can use it. And this is called visualization pane. Like this 30 options available here. I will explain in detail in the regular class. We don't have enough time. So some basic options I explain. Now, so online people who are all not provided, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number. Get today's video and document. In case anyone wants to talk to me, my contact number and timing also mentioned. Kindly go through. Fine, sir. So our desktop is ready. Now, what is required? I want to do one small example. What is the example? This data, I want to pass through this to create this data. But how do you create? By implementing this. So what all applicable will implement. Let me go. I'll write here. You have your family data. First extraction, compulsory. Fixed process. Transformation, modeling, secure, visualization. You will get BA data or business intelligence data. And this is the first area. In these areas, compulsory one we need to do, mandatory areas I'm telling. This is the area we will do the first operation one, extraction. Transformation you want to do, maybe in this area available two. Modeling you want to do, this is a modeling area, three. Security you want to do, four in this area. Visualization you want to do, five in this area. The five areas. So every day, every report, the same process it will follow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No different. You want to construct a house, foundation, pillar, roof, side wall. Any house, any building, anywhere. Same process. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is pretty good. In our current situation, the data required first step, second step, third step not required because we have only one table. Where is it? Go to this. I'm showing the data, input data, general files. I request everyone kindly stay tuned till 9:15 a.m. I'll close sharply. Daily session, 8 or 8 to 9 a.m. plus or minus 5 minutes. This is the daily session timing. Regular classes from tomorrow. A.m. This is 8 o'clock batch. I will open the data now. See, only one sheet available. Date, amount, reason, area location. Only one sheet. So any data, not only file data, file or cloud or database or any data, first thing is click on it. This is the first step. Mention which source data you want to bring, Excel. So click. And where is the data? First, browse the data. So I will give you the same file, download it, and click on this. Browse the file. Select it so that you will see the data like this. Click load. Anything complex? Very, very simple. Once again, what to do? As part of data retrieval, click on this Excel workbook, browse it, select the table so that the data will come here. See data, this is auto expanded. I did not do anything. But this data you want to see data view. This is the data view area. Click on it so that you can see. But this is not in proper shape. This data I'm doing here. Data is not in proper shape. Why? Proper shape means column by column available. But if you see this is not column by column. Headings are not proper. So we need to remove this first step. And we need to make this as column heading. Second step. These two things we have to do. Third one, area location single place available. But if you want area separate analysis, location separate analysis, So you must split based on the hyphens. That is a third operation. So if you want to make this proper shape, 3 operations need to be done. First one, remove this. Second one, take this as column heading. Third one, split the data based on hyphens. Shall I? But where we need to go? Second area is open. Second area. But from here, you can go easily. Report view. Click on this. Transform data. It will open a separate window. See guys, system opened a separate window. This is only one window. You will find it extra in Power BI. Transformation window. What all the transformations you want to do it, and then close the window. Here is the operation. Closing again, simple closing, saving and closing. Apply means saving here, saving the changes and closing. Do the operations now. Make it full screen. Since you are new to this, I know the area, I will directly go there. So this is the area. In this area, click on this. Remove top rows. Because this row I want to remove. If you remove these two, again problem. This row I want to remove. Click on it. Remove top rows. Mention one. Click on it. So if you mention one, this first row will be removed. Now I want to make this as heading, date, amount, and all. Same place you click. There's an option called use first row as header. I just use this. Now I'm going for this. Use first row as header. Click. Use first row as header. Done. Is it okay? Third step, which we planned. Split into 2 columns. How? Right click. Split column by delimiter. 2 hyphens. 2 hyphens. Okay. Split into 2 parts. Is it split? Avoid it. Right click. Split column by delimiter. Right click only. Now I want to take proper column headings. Double click. Area. Here also. Double click. Location. Simple. And whatever you made it, those are available here. I renamed the columns. If you want to cancel, cancel. This is cancel. This is also cancel. You want to add it again? Yes. Area. Area. So location. Now I want to save the changes and close. Go to corner, close and apply. This is the one. I want to see the data again. How do we see? Click on table view. Is it appearing properly? Now, 1 completed, no proper shape. So 2 completed. Now 3, relationship. Only 1 table, no relationships. To relate, always 1 more required, even in general sense as well. At least 2 tables required, or 2 objects required, 2 people required for relation. Now go to report view, fine. 4th one, security is not in our topic. Only 1 thing pending, visualization. So in real time, 1 and 5 compulsory. 1 and 5 compulsory. Remaining situational. 2, 3, 4 situational, but 1, 5 compulsory. Right. The 5th one, I will do it. Quickly concentrate. What I'm expecting? This is the one. I want a filter. Year, month. year, month. So I will go here. This is a visual I'm going to use. Everyone look at this. This is a filter visual or slicer visual. I will use it. One comparison visual, one mapping visual, one composition visual, one data presentation visual. So these 5 visuals I use it. And these 5 I will take 5 hours, so 4 hours in the regular classes. But here we don't have that much time. So I'll complete little faster. Just to give you some understanding. Now click slicer. First step, visual level. Every visual having 2 options. First one, data area. This visual having data area. This is data. We call it as a field. Second, format area. Colors, font, sizes, etc. place. I will go to data area. Go to daily expenses, date, hierarchy, take year here. What to take? But I don't want to see like this. I want to format. Data area over. Now go to format area. How you want to format this? Again, 2 ways. Only visual specific, this specific. Second one, general. General means common to all visuals. Common to all. Getting clarity? Now, visual specific. Slicer setting. Style. I need button style. This is button. I need list style. Vertical list. Done. I want to take header. This header formation. Bold. 20 size I'm giving. Color. This color. Similarly, values. These values. 18 I'm giving. Bold blue color. So this is related to headers. Slicer, how do you want to show? Header, this is header. Value, this is a value. Simple, right? Now just place it here. General, effects, board. Compared to this, we are doing better in our mobile level. Canva app, many apps, online editing, many more things we are doing. Simple. Similarly, month I want. Go Control C, Control V. Control C, Control V, copy paste. I want to take month. Take a month here. I copy pasted. Now column level, what do you want? Month. Click say year, take month. But it is showing all the months. I want only 2 months. Then go to filter. To filter it, filter. This filter one. I want 2 months. Click on this. July, August, 2 months. See the advantage of filter. So only 2 months analysis. Done this. So year ready, month ready. This is for filtering. Then what else required? Sum of amount, how much total money I spent, average money I spent, maximum money, and minimum money. Just go to single value you want to show, take card visible. Card for single value. Click on card. Just drag and drop sum in the field. I told you for every visual 2 sections, field and format. So take sum in the field area, sum of amount. Done. Automatically sum is coming, no problem. Click format. This is called call out value if you want to format, and this is called category label. Call out value, category label. Now call out value. Please look at this. This bold color. I will take 30 size. And the display unit, how do you want to show? That's very important. How do you want to show? I don't want to show in thousands. I just want to see like this. Category label. This is a category label. Bold, blue color, 15 size. I'll mention like this. I'll place here. Go to format area. These two completed. 1 to general, effect, visual border out. Now, I need average of amount. Guys, take a card visual. Drag and drop average in the fields area. Everyone look at this, please. So how about average? This is the beauty of Power BI. Just click on this drop down and mention here average. This is all, no need to perform any operations, average. Similarly, take one more card. Take some amount here, amount, drag and drop, click maximum. Similarly, take card visual. Card visual. And take amount here. But I want minimum. So click on this drop down, minimum value. Which value? Min. But I need the same format in all these three areas. This. How is it possible? Same format, uniform format. See guys, highlight this. There's something on top here. This format I want here. So highlight this. Click on format painter. See the beautiness. Click. Click on format painter. Click. Click on format painter. Click. All good? Easy to do. Right. Average. Max value. 1 second. And minimum value. Fine, sir. All. If you click here 19, 19 total, 19 average, 19 minimum, 19 maximum. If you click on August, so 19 on August spending. If you click on July, 19 in July spending. No complexity, no greatness. Now, because of Power BI kind of tools, it's very simple operation. But earlier it was very tough job. ఇంతకుముందు చాలా కష్టమైన పని అండి ఇలా చేయాలంటే ఇప్పుడు చాలా సింపుల్ జస్ట్ డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ అండ్ డూ ఇట్. If you practice today, you feel very comfortable. Fine. So these are just value showing, but I want to compare for which reason I spent more money. Study, traveling, food, I want to verify. Then take a comparison visual here. Stacked bar, go to blank area always, click. I'm taking here. Hardly 5 minutes, I will close it. Now, y-axis. This is y-axis, what do you want to take? I want to take reason. X-axis, what do you want to take? I want to take amount. So it will show you clearly. Sorry, font is very small. Can I see it bigger? Only the visual, go to focus mode. It will show you here. Food, travel, internet, entertainment, books, petrol. So these are the top spendings. These are the bottom spendings. And everywhere you see the value. Food spending, travel spending, internet spending, petrol spending, etc. Go back. I'll take only general effects visual photo. This is bar chart. Next one, mapping visual. Sorry, not mapping. In every location, how much percentage of money I spent? Hyderabad 20%, Vizag 30%, etc. Percentages I want. Go to pie chart. Sir, how do we come to know? Once you complete the visualization topic properly, then only you will come to know. It's a demo example, so I'm maintaining little speed with single line answers. Click pie chart. It will show here, place here, legend. Legend level, I will take location. Value level, I will take amount. And go to focus mode and see. Hyderabad location value. Percentage, 40% business, so 40% money spent at Hyderabad. Vijayawada, 15% money. And Vishakhapatnam, 40%. Like this available. Next, I will go to this general effects program. Last one. What are the locations I traveled? Click on this map visual. Place it here. Location. Take location here. First, map visual location. Expand bigger. This is Vishakhapatnam location. These are the locations I traveled bubbles. But I want to see which location having more spending. Come down, bubble size. Here you mention amount. So Vishakhapatnam more spending, Hyderabad more spending, and Vijayawada low spending. So only one thing, take every visual, two sections. One is field area, second format area. Field for data, format for formation. Color, font, size. I'm going to general FX code. Now select 19. 19 locations, 19 spending, 19 values. 19 July. 19 July locations in that. Or 19 August. See, there's a change. If it select 20, 20 level changed. Values. So this is a way easily we create reports in Power BI. Sir, you said low code. Where do we write it? When you go to this, when you go to any column, for example, this values level, sum, average, these are available. Beside this, if you want other calculations like last year value, running total value, for these kind of calculations, we use a language called DAX. Like Excel kind of functions we use and perform operations. And if you use this for those kind of small calculations, that is called low code. What do we call it? Low code. And if you don't have those kind of calculations, no code only. No code only in Power BI. Everyone got clarity? So this is called as document. Since we are able to extract it, transform it, model it, everything you're able to do. So what do we call it? Document. And you can save like this, file menu, save as or save. What is the extension of the document? Word document saved with .docx. Excel document saved with .excel lessons. Power BI document saved with .pbx. Not a report. It is not a report. It is a document because multiple operations we are doing. I will write here VinayTech Power BI demo report. Click save. Sir, what about customer? Which one we will share? For customers, we share only this area. Customers don't require extraction, transformation, modeling, all this. We'll share only this area to customer. How? So this data we need to move to cloud, or this information we need to move to server. Either server or cloud, either of the places, then customers will access from there. That we will see the regular class. Understood? End-to-end process, bringing the data, implementing the business intelligence process, generating a report. Later, moving to cloud or server, so customers will access. This is a process we follow in Power BI. Data to till customer browsing. And today, whatever I planned successfully completed. This example. As I said, you will get daily video, and today's video you will receive in your drive level and in your mobile level. Kindly walk through it. My sincere request, go through the drive. Second demo. This input file, use it. This practice document, use it to practice today's example. Will you try this? Yes, if you have any questions or any queries, you can call me on my contact number. I already provided. And it's a demo session. And there are 2 demo classes. Yesterday, first demo. 20 minutes understanding and 40 minutes about this. Today's second demo. I did recap of yesterday's for 10 minutes and Power BI components, concepts, and self-service BI example for remaining 40 minutes. And you can try in all these areas as a Power BI useful in all these areas as a developer, data analyst, business analyst, scientist. More and more opportunities as a developer available, that to Power BI developer. Power BI plus SQL knowledge is good. 90% opportunities on this. 90%. And my recommendation along with Power BI, learn basics of SQL. I will cover 3 to 4 hours. So I may already mention, but recommendation, learn the whole course. Prioritize 9 topics. Daily videos you will receive systematically with a proper message notification, and theory material, practical material, all you receive. Any graduate is eligible for this course. It's a low code components. For your better hands-on, 2 projects I will give you, and multiple case studies also covered. And if you are preparing for certification, the dumps I will provide you and give you proper guidance. And this is my contact number. These are the call timings. So more than 10 people called me yesterday. Thank you so much. And even I'm expecting from others today. And the training is basics to advanced. Daily 1 hour session. My 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours of practice. Don't consider today's session. From tomorrow, day after tomorrow, every day you need to spend 2 hours to get good knowledge. In case you're not able to get timing, so you're not able to get time for practice, at least go through the materials. Then only you can follow properly. If you're looking for a good training, systematic training, end-to-end training with all the components of Power BI, yes, definitely I will provide you. And we are one of the good institute and best institute in the market. That's all for today, guys. And tomorrow onwards, regular classes, my reception team will reach out to you. Kindly provide your information.